Hey viewers, welcome back by this channel. In this video, we are exploring YOLO12 model. So today's 2020 model, 20 February will be released. So we will exploring right now how to add the custom model and means custom data set and how you use in your laptop locally system. So first of all, you can see my screen and let's start from sketch and we will start from the webcam and see the demo and watch the demo and you will get the result and let's continue from the screening time and my laptop. Technically we will continue this topic in technically how we implement in our system and let's start from sketch. Opening my webcam and you can see detection will be doing, person will be detect and then nano model will be accurate. And let me explain to you how we implement in a custom model like best and last model. So I'm open our demo video also. Okay, and first of all we see the demo, then we will discuss further how we implement the step by step this algorithm in our system. Okay, and I'm running the Python file. Okay, this is all implemented in the Python side, and also you can see the weight will be detected, and 90%, 92% will be detect weight. So, and you can also see there this one. So let's start from sketch. First of all, you go to the Google Chrome and search out the YOLO V12. After you can see, you will see this one report YOLO V12 and attention central real-time objective detector report. Okay, so also you can see the demo from here. If you do not want to run this one, so you will see that this demo this one and upload the picture and see the result. Okay, and here 60% is the tie, 91% is will be detection now human. Also upload the video and webcam. So first of all, you can see download this report. I am already download. After download, you can see I am going to the download folder and here YOLO V12 and going to the report side and open our terminal. Okay, after you can see, you will install the dependency. Okay, let me install the dependency first of all. So pip install arfan e dash and within second dependency will be installed in your system. Okay, so Alta license 3.6 E3. Okay, so dependency will be created and now you can see I am again open the CMD. Okay, Conda active my activate base and you can see Python version 3.12 and call the library. So it's fine for me now. Okay, it's fine. Now let me show you the demo and you will easily to download nano model, small model, medium, large, extra large, and you can see the speed and accuracy and also you can also see the latency chart and flop chart. Okay, so how do we implement the custom model? Let me show you. Go to the PyResearch and open the notebook. Okay, after notebook you will see I am creating the one file and train YOLO V12 object detection model. Open the Google Colab file. Okay, after you can see this one is report done. You will not need this one. Now initialize the GPU. Okay, without GPU. No, we need to initialize GPU. I am open the second my account. So I am changed my account and successfully and now we close it and here connect with the GPU. Okay, and here runtime, change the runtime T4 Tesla and initialize the GPU run anyway. and you can see the GPU will be showing to us. After you can see we are able to connect our system dependency, install the dependency, same pattern way to install RoboFlow library, supervision library, and also YOLO12. We need one picture. Okay, not need this one. We need one picture. Okay, and upload desktop. Here I have a picture folder. Okay, and you will see the my picture. The name is. Let me open my picture. So here, rename the path your demo.jpg, and I am save it. Okay, and here paste here the demo. After installation dependency done, then you will use the run interface demo.png format, and here you can see large model and dependency will be installed successfully. Okay, and you can see person will be detect. After you can see download here need to dependency of the dataset from the RoboFlow side. Okay, I am choosing the pretend model here, class number 1. Okay, so this one is one class, and here images, and you can see dataset and download the dataset. Okay, um, also we need to create the open the here login first of all, then we use the RoboFlow com. Here open the RoboFlow, sign in. Okay, it's fine, now you sign in. So I'm open my account. So you can see I need to select the format of YOLO12, show the code. Okay, I think this will be download, zip file will be download. No, it's fine. Here copy, and this one here paste here. I'm already installed dependency of the RoboFlow, but in front of you I'm just copy and paste here, and you can see the here our dataset get from the RoboFlow side and extract the files. Here you can see the dataset format, means folder format, and here final fine-tune YOLO V12 model will be trained 100 repos. I think we need to only use 10, not 100. I'm close. Okay, just call it again 10 repos. It's fine for us. So otherwise it's taking too much time. So we need to wait it, and it's very simple. Yeah, 10 repos will be going on. Starting process will be training process will be going on. So what will be changed? You can see the result first of all. Then we will discuss about the YOLO V11 and YOLO V12 model will be differences. So views you can see our model will be exported successfully. Now fine-tuned model will be called, means confusion matrix first of all, and we will target only one. Let me show you here data.xml file, and one class will be available according to our dataset. Now you can see the training and lossing method. Here is smooth result and result, loss, and validation box. Now call the images, some images and classes weight, and you can see here the our weight and base model. Here you can see I am going to running folder, detection folder. After you can see training folder, and here our all files will be available in same folder, and you will also see here accuracy and average, mean average prescription will be in front of you, and here weight, and you will download this one first of all, and second one. I have already two models, but in front of you I will show you like the two models will be download and put in folder, and the detection parties will be doing as well as. So technically our weight will be detection done. I am download the one picture, and then now minimize our folder and go to desktop side, YOLO12 model. Here I am open my file. This code will be get from my Git account. This code will be get from my GitHub account here, PyResearch, and we will create this one report here. Okay, so in front of you, you will see YOLO12. Okay, it's fine. Here, public, initialize report and create. You will get the codes from here, YOLO12. Okay, it's fine for you guys, and this report will be also mentioned in our report. And last and best model is available. And now open the terminal. You can see follow my instruction. Okay, Linux user, Mint user, and also Ubuntu user and Windows user, Mac user, follow my instruction. So you can see I am just Python app.py will be called the script name. We need one video. Okay, so this video is enough for us, and introduction part is will be doing. This is the result. Okay, and it's easy for you. And let me share with you comparison. And this code will be called the initialize the libraries, and we will add also import PyResearch, also our library. Here model, here initialize the video and open the frames, and you will see the release the videos part. Okay, it's easy for you guys, and you will also see the best model and this one, and also pre-10 models, YOLO10 nano model, and I am deleted, and I am also deleted, and you also see the real-time demo YOLO V12 nano, and I am comment out, and here put here the 0, and let me open new terminal. Okay, you will see my face with the webcam, and it's easy for you guys. So installation part will be covered, training part is covered in this video. Also you can see live webcam and video, and you will see we will cover the customized dataset get from the Roboflow side. So it's easy for you guys. This report will be help for you, and you will see the it's my live face web from the webcam. Okay, so hope you like it. See you in next video. Keep watching our videos and keep support us.